If you have ever been with someone who has dementia and you want to spend time together, but don't really know what to do to spend that time together, I've got a good solution for you. So Ageless has a ton of really great products that are made for interaction and communication because they're your person. You want to hang out with them, but it can be really hard because you don't want to necessarily go back and say like, oh, remember when? Because they might not. Or learn this new game or play this complex card game because that might be hard. So having something to do together is really important for continuing to build a relationship. So let me show you what I brought. This is one of my favorites because it's a puzzle, which you could get any kind of puzzle, but it's specifically designed in a way that makes it really easy to use for somebody who has dementia. So first of all, you got 2 puzzles in one container. That makes it easy to keep up with. So you see I got 2 different puzzles. The picture is here so that I can keep track of it and as I do the puzzle. And when I use the bamboo stand together with it, then it's all sitting upright, and together we can take the pieces out and put the pieces back in. They're big pieces, so it's easy to put together, but it's not a kid puzzle, right? So it's like not an easy puzzle with kid type designs, which can feel demeaning, but it does have that simplicity to it. So being able to choose between one of these 2 puzzles and keep it all together in one place is also really cool too. And this, I always like things that have more than one purpose. While this holds up the puzzle book, it also can do a bunch of other things. So you can pull this out like this, it can hold a book, it can be the place that you put cards. It has a lot of different purposes for holding things, which can be beneficial for someone with dementia and for someone with tremors. So Ageless is a great partner, and I love the products that they've come up with. This is not your typical like adaptive equipment that makes something function better. It actually makes life better because you're working together with your person and giving them something to do that they enjoy.